told Daddy that he's gonna catch them. Come on, baby birds.
Here she comes.
Come on, go.
Whoopsie.
Catch them.
I caught them in my hands.
I wanna see. Don't move, Daddy, because I wanna see. You got the ball.
Okay, this time you stay down and I'm going to do it and you're going to catch them, okay? Which one do I do first, blue or red?
Both of them.
That's the same time. It's tricky to catch at the same time. Okay, I'm going to take them upstairs and then you're going to stay here and catch them.
Okay. I'm ready.
Okay.
Well, take a long time.
Well, I have to get upstairs. You have to be patient.
Did you get it?
If you go halfway downstairs, you might get a good picture. And Mama's going to do the pictures, and I'm going to let go, and you're going to catch. Are you ready?
Mama, don't take a picture yet.
Not yet. She's going to wait till you catch it, okay?
Yeah.
Here it comes.
Got it.
And here comes the other one.
It's easy.
Here comes the sister. Ready?
Here comes the sister bird. Got both of them.
Good job.